windows or wiper blades and you get caught in a thunderstorm.
It's happening.
Oh, it's leaking. The seal's leaking. We're dripping water.
Hey, who forgot the... Like, it's all wrapping.
We're taking on water. Everybody abandoned ship.
It's just wrapping around and
Save yourself.
in my back.
Save yourself. I think the car doesn't melt in water. Oh my god, yeah. It's literally a boat now. You gotta get out like Ace Ventura. Everyone's looking at us like we're fucking nuts.